I fully expect Bitcoin to have a $250,000 price or higher within this calendar year. I do not think the market is ready to run yet. In fact, we saw some market data. It looks like the economy is weakening. It looks like the reverse repo market is draining. Again, the markets are asking, where's the liquidity going to come from? How are they going to weaken the dollar? Are Jerome Powell and Donald Trump going to get on the same page?
In this recent interview on the Money Matters podcast with Jack Mallers, we learn about 3 powerful topics shaping today's crypto landscape. Jack explains how Bitcoin's unpredictable volatility sets the stage for a dramatic long-term trend. He breaks down how macro market uncertainty and shifting liquidity impact investor sentiment, and he reveals why meme coins have emerged as a frictionless way to speculate in today's market.
Let's get into my market thoughts. For any frequent listener, are you surprised? Do you have any idea what I'm about to say? Because unfortunately, I'm going to say the same thing I've been saying since Thanksgiving. What have I been saying? In any event, this is what I've been saying. I expect Bitcoin to chop around 100K. I expect there to be a lot of volatility in the short term, a lot of bullishness in the long term. New administration, a lot of uncertainty as far as monetary policy, as far as the Treasury Department. How's Scott Bessent going to differ than Janet Yellen? What's his angle? What's his plan? We know Trump is inflationary, reshoring a lot of industries in the United States of America, being competitive in the export industry, caring about the stock market. All of this is inflationary. All of this is weaker dollar. However, from him getting elected to that starting, I expect a lot of volatility, a lot of emotion, a lot of uncertainty. I mean, look at what Doge is uncovering. And there's seemingly a very weak economy progressing. Are we going to have a mini financial crisis? Is that what's going to take Trump to get Powell on his side? Is the stock market going to fall 10%? These are the questions the market has, and this is why the market's been relatively still. Bitcoin is the best tracker of global liquidity. It is. Global liquidity. So we'll see. We will see.
As we just heard Jack Mallers discuss Bitcoin's wild price swings and long-term potential, now let's explore how broader macro market uncertainty and liquidity conditions are influencing investor behavior. Jack explains that while the market remains volatile, factors like central bank policy and liquidity constraints set the stage for rapid, yet unpredictable, market shifts. He also touches on the explosive growth of meme coins, described as frictionless gambling tools that allow anyone to speculate without the usual complexities. Now, let's listen to what Jack Mallers has to say.
My one topic top of mind is meme coins. You've got the president of Argentina, Dave Portnoy, rug pulling, losing tons of money. It is outrageous. Just some of my thoughts on this. Listen. Meme coins have product market fit. They're popular. Why? Because they're frictionless gambling. They're reducing the friction to gamble, to speculate. In fact, a lot of the reason I think shitcoins, Ethereum, Solana, Dogecoin, Cardano, a lot of the reason these coins are getting crushed is because all this liquidity of gambling, of speculating, is going into meme coins. You know, in order to gamble and speculate, you used to have to read a 50-page white paper and listen to Vitalik treat you like a fucking idiot by spewing all sorts of developer googly-gock on your head. You don't have to do that anymore. Are you going to read a 50-page white paper written by some weird-looking teenager that no one knows? Or are you going to buy Trump coin? Meme coins are simple. Do I know this person? Do I think more people will know this person? That's it. It is frictionless gambling. Let's be clear. There is no value accrual to any of these things, Ethereum or Trump coin. They're both meme coins. They're both shit coins. One made it really complicated, really complex. It was a Rube Goldberg machine. The other is intellectually honest in saying, this thing's probably going to zero. Do you want to gamble? All of this is extremely bullish for Bitcoin because the world is starting to see that there is Bitcoin and then there is everything else. There is a value accrual thesis to Bitcoin. It is distributed. Its monetary policy is fixed. Its supply is fixed. Its issuance is predictable. It's divisible. It's portable. You can secure it yourself in a self-sovereign way. It's global. There's a real value accrual thesis to Bitcoin. There is a mathematical and borderline physics, if you ask Michael Saylor, reason that Bitcoin's price keeps going up. All of these other things, there is not. They all trend to zero against Bitcoin. They are not money. And if you want the God honest truth, they are speculative gambling vehicles. And the reason meme coins are doing better than Ethereum is because they're being honest about that and they're optimizing for that. You guys want to gamble? You want to punt a load of shit? I'll make it easy for you to create it and I'll make it easy for you to trade it. Whoops, there goes all the demand for Ethereum. Oh, it's just a coincidence. No, it's not. It's not. It's not. It's not. The Ethereum ETF launched. Why aren't institutions buying Ethereum? The same reason institutions aren't buying Trump coin. You understand? Listen, we live in a society where everyone is a speculator, whether you know it or not. The money that you are forced to use with the threat of violence by your government, meaning the dollar, the euro, the pound, that money is losing value actively every single day. So it's not enough to just be a doctor. It's not enough to just be a teacher. It's not enough just to be a musician. You have to be a doctor and a speculator. You have to teach children and understand Japanese central bank monetary policy. You have to create art and music and actively manage a stock portfolio. If you want to outpace inflation, outpace the death of the currency that you're forced to use, you cannot just contribute to this world. You have to contribute to this world and speculate. So when we see such product market fit in demand for gambling and speculation, that is not by chance. That is not human nature. That is the outcome of awful monetary policy from fiat currencies and central banks. So what you're seeing is a global population that is desperate to speculate because their contributions to the world, no matter how good they are, aren't good enough. Period.
To watch the full interview, check out the link in the description. Jack Mallers shows us that Bitcoin's volatility creates both challenge and opportunity. Macro market factors and liquidity issues drive uncertainty. And meme coins represent a new, accessible way for speculation. We would love to hear your thoughts on some questions. How can investors protect themselves against market volatility while seizing opportunity? Will the simplicity of meme coins change the face of speculative investing? Thanks for watching. Help support this channel and receive exclusive offers from one of our partners located in the description. We'll see you on the next one.